Accept, yep, yep. So, Robbie Bob 2, double trouble, yeah. And so, game of play, game, yay, yay, yay. Welcome to Gamers Success. Yo. To play that, stop and okay, okay lang. Okay lang? Yo, man. What the ba? The sun is out. The birds are chirping. Perfect day for sneaking, yo. What's up, Faith? How do? Snake again? Sabi ba ngay, nag-live ako. Dula na po ko. Yay! This is a gamer Karski, boy. Bep. So, yun. Hindi ko pa alam to eh. Saan ba to? Shit. I open this. Open the door. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What's that? Shiny thing over there. I have an irrespectable larger to pick it up. Yo, baby. So, oh, wow. Oh, it's even shining up close. So, how to do this? Father into my collection, baby. Wow. Yeah. There's this gold thing. Yo. Go. What's that? Oi. By pitching the screen, I can get an overview of the entire living instead of avoiding and stuff. Hindi ko alam to. Surprising. Yo. I'm go to this. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's more of gold there. Think of gold. Wow. There's a Monkey King. What the hell? Monkey King is here. Oh, wow. Whoops, looks like I'm not alone in this house. After all, I should be okay. I sneak behind him. Wow, the fuck shit, yo. And oops. Oi, plenty of gold, yeah. I'm here in. I kill this or don't have anything. Okay. Oh. What the? Oh. Okay. There's an elevator there, yeah. What's this? When the right mind installs a treadmill in the middle of the room, like this, I love to spread and get past. What the hell? Oh yeah. I walked it. There. Walk. Pastor. Pastor, man. Oh yeah. Look that. Oh. There's a refrigerator here. Oh, I hear that. I hear me. You hear me? Oh yeah. Oy. I've been spotted by the guard. Oh no. Let's try one more time. Yeah. Shit. There's a guard here.
Gagan mo, disod mo.
Oh, I hear me. You hear me? Okay. What the hell? How to? Oh! There's more. Oh, yeah. You can. Yeah. Oh. It's oh yeah. Run faster. Oh, something speaking over there. But it doesn't look like this old lady is going to budge anytime soon. Yeah. I found the snake fast and without being seen, I need your screen record. What's that? Luckily, I will bring a human-made toxic donuts for a time like this. If I threw one into your view, she won't be able to say hey to you. So there's some more time involved. Oh, what the? What the? Oh, oh, no, 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 no. Oh, this is the shiniest thing I've seen. But what is it? I think. Oh no. There's a grandma. Grandma? It's my grandma. There's, oops. There's a girl there. There. Whoa, whoa. It's crazy. Oh no. What the fuck? Run, 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 and pass, pass, faster, faster, faster. Ah, run, run. Oh, this is the shiniest thing I've ever seen, but it's, I think, time to get out of here. Oh, yo, 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 go, 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 out, outside, outside. Another job, well done, and the bell answer small show, whoa. So, tapusin natin ang level 1. Chapter 1. Chapter 1. So, this is Aris. What? Aris. So, continue this. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, man. Go, go, go. Look. Oh. Oh. Nose to nose, yeah. Oh. What the heck? Shit, man. What's that?